Today is 11th May 2026 and I have decided something. I want to tell you something that never ever think small, or just one thing you have to remember, that if you are dreaming, then make sure you dream big. This is a quote by Karan Aujla, and I want to implement it in my life. So what I want to tell you in this video, so I want to tell you that if you have a package of 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh, different packages, so don't think about, if someone says to you that what is your expected salary, if HR is saying you, if HR is asking you that what is your expected salary, and you replied him that currently I have a package of 3.5 or 4 and I want to 6 or 7, I want this package. So I want to say you that if we are in 3 or 4 LPA package, so why we are not thinking about 15 or 20, 25 LPA packages? Why we are not even thinking about these packages? I don't know why, but if we have if I ask someone in my company, and any people randomly, I will pick anyone, and I will tell him that what is your expected salary, and what salary you want in your life, and in after 2 years, 3 years, they will definitely tell me that 6 or 7, 8. That's it. They never think about 15, 20. I'm not the first person I know who is thinking about 15, 20. There are many person, but I am telling about majority. So what is the main purpose? I want to tell you that I am in my home, and which is Barhi, Katni, Madhya Pradesh. So if you know, then thank you. So if we I talked with person who has 50 LPA package. There is my big brother, and he was working for Citrix, and he have a 50 LPA package. So he is working on something, and he has some work in his company, and that same work we are doing in our company. We are our company is paying us 3 LPA, 4 LPA, 5 LPA, but his company is paying 50 LPA, 60 LPA, same work. mm, mm, I know something different. They have to think logically, and they have less work sometime. So what is and we can also do their work, but what is the problem is that they are thinking about 70 LP, 80 LP. If they want to switch, then we don't even think about that package. The main the main difference between us and the 50 LPA package is the mindset. We don't have the mindset of big packages. We just have a mindset of, we have a mediocre mindset, and we don't even want to get that package. So I want to tell you that if you are thinking about switch, and if you have a 3 LPA, 4 LPA package, don't think about 6 or 7 LPA. Think about 17 LPA, 18 LPA, 20 LPA. If you are thinking about 20 LPA, you will definitely search in the YouTube that how much DSA in this 17 or 20 LPA wants, and how much system design it wants, how and if you are preparing for 20, 25 LPA, 30 LPA, then definitely you gonna get a 15 LPA job, 100%. So that is the purpose of making this video, that think, if you are dreaming, make sure you dream big, because one day you will after getting 15 LPA, 20 LPA job, one day you will definitely remember me, that there is a person who tells us that make sure you dream big. Thank you. This is my home's gallery.